Quantum computing is one of the most revolutionary technologies emerging in the modern era. It promises to drastically change the way we process information, solve problems, and understand the very fabric of reality. But what if quantum computers could also offer insights into one of the most profound mysteries of existence? Consciousness? In this video, we will explore the potential connection between quantum computing and consciousness, examining both the scientific implications and the deeper spiritual questions this technology raises. At the core of quantum computing lies a principle that sets it apart from classical computing: quantum bits or qubits. Unlike regular bits, which can only exist in a state of 0 or 1, qubits can exist in a superposition, meaning they can be in both states simultaneously. This allows quantum computers to process vast amounts of information in parallel, vastly outpacing traditional computers. But what makes quantum computing so fascinating is not just its computational power, it's the strange and mysterious principles of quantum mechanics it relies on. Concepts such as superposition, entanglement, and wave-particle duality challenge our understanding of reality itself, and some scientists believe they may also hold the key to understanding consciousness. The relationship between quantum mechanics and consciousness has been a subject of intrigue for decades. Many notable figures in physics, including Roger Penrose, have speculated that consciousness itself could arise from quantum processes. Penrose's orchestrated objective reduction theory suggests that quantum computations in the brain's microtubules could give rise to consciousness. This theory challenges the classical understanding of consciousness as a purely biological phenomenon, proposing instead that it might be tied to the fundamental workings of the universe. This brings us to an intriguing question. If consciousness is a quantum process, could quantum computers ever replicate, simulate, or even understand consciousness? Could a quantum computer, with its ability to process vast amounts of interconnected information, eventually become conscious itself? This is a question that sits at the intersection of cutting-edge science and deep philosophical inquiry. The science of consciousness is still in its infancy. While we have made enormous strides in understanding the brain, the hard problem of consciousness remains unsolved. How do subjective experiences emerge from the physical processes of the brain? One theory is that quantum mechanics may provide the answer. Quantum computing, with its ability to exist in multiple states at once, could offer insights into how our minds hold complex, sometimes contradictory experiences in parallel. Could the behavior of quantum particles, with their ability to exist in non-local, interconnected states, mirror the way our minds experience the interconnectedness of all things? As quantum computing continues to evolve, it may offer us a new lens through which to view not only the nature of the brain, but also the nature of reality itself. Some suggest that the advanced computational power of quantum computers could lead to a new understanding of how consciousness functions, offering a bridge between the physical and the metaphysical, the scientific and the spiritual. In fact, the very nature of quantum mechanics, its ability to transcend classical boundaries, might suggest that there is no true separation between science and spirituality. Rather, they could be two sides of the same coin, with quantum computing offering a new perspective on the interconnectedness of all things. The potential for quantum computing to impact our understanding of consciousness could lead to breakthroughs that extend beyond technology. It could open new doors to understanding the universe, bridging the gap between the scientific view of reality and the spiritual perspective that sees everything as interconnected. Some philosophical traditions speak of the interconnectedness of all things, and the non-locality of quantum particles seems to resonate with this idea. Could quantum computing, with its ability to process vast amounts of interconnected data, be the key to understanding how consciousness itself operates within the larger framework of the universe? As quantum computers grow more powerful and capable, the questions they raise about consciousness will only become more pressing. Can a quantum computer simulate the complexities of the human mind? Could it lead to new ways of understanding our place in the universe? Could it help us unravel the mysteries of consciousness and, in doing so, unlock deeper spiritual truths about existence? In the future, quantum computing may not only revolutionize industries like cryptography, artificial intelligence, and drug discovery, but it may also hold the key to understanding the fundamental nature of reality and consciousness. By connecting the dots between quantum mechanics and the mysteries of the mind, we may discover that both technology and spirituality are deeply interconnected. As we stand on the threshold of this new era, the possibilities are endless. What lies ahead may not only change our understanding of technology, but also reveal profound truths about the nature of consciousness and our place in the cosmos. Thank you for watching this exploration of the fascinating relationship between quantum computers and consciousness. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more discussions on the cutting-edge intersection of science, technology, and spirituality.